Hello little minions, it's me, Beau. Today we are coming to you with charcoal bamboo deodorizers. Now I have used a lot of these in my small little short existence, and I will tell you that they work phenomenally for three different areas. The first one is the car. You have an odor, in case you don't know, you have an odor, and it is within your best interest to keep that odor down if you have people in your car. Let's say that you're an Uber driver or something like that. You can see as I'm unpackaging these right here, they have pretty much no smell. I mean, you can kind of smell the fabric on there, so to speak, but beyond that, there's no real odor to it. I mean, that'd be kind of counterintuitive. The second place I put these is my shoe drawer. Shoes smell bad. All that odor stacks up, so these will slide wonderfully inside my size 12.5 feet. And then lastly, I put these in my coat closet to keep the moisture down. And so when you have a family and you're going out and doing all sorts of excursions, it's within the best interest to put these in the coat closet. And I'm going to show you actually right here the fact that they come with these little hooks like this, these little S hooks, okay? And so this will attach right on this eyelet on this side, and look at that, you can hang it in your closet. I don't think this is actually big enough to put on your actual dowel rod in your closet itself. But actually what I do is I get two of these guys. Don't laugh, okay? I get two of these guys, and then I get a pair of pliers and clamp it down there and clamp it down there so that they basically look like a pair of nunchucks. And then I take these nunchucks and I drape them over the armpit in my jacket. Now I do a lot of mountaineering, and so you can't help but sweat in your jacket. And of course, when you sweat, you die. You don't want a moist jacket. And so you also don't want a stinky jacket either. So when I get back, I try to dry things out as much as possible. And so using these little S hooks, you clamp it there and then you clamp it there. They're basically going to stay together. Thank you, Lucy. And you drape one in one armpit, and then you drape another in another armpit. And that really is where most of the odor is in your jacket. So there's a quick little fun hint, tip, trick from yours truly, Beau. It works magnificently to get the odor out of my nice mountaineering adventure jackets. If it works for me, it might work for you. Hope this helps.